Hi everybody, welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T. So I'm going to move on to metric mass or volume with whole numbers. So a tanker truck holds 43,000 liters of oil. Use the facts to find how much this is in kilometers. So we are moving from liters to kilometers. And that's why I said before, I am kind of reading from this side to this side because I see that there are 1,000 liters in 1 kilometer. So if I am going from liters to kilometers, I know my number is going to get smaller. So I can do this by hand. So, and if I divide by 1,000, and this is just something that I learned when I was really young, I can just divide the zeros. We can just eliminate them. So it's going to be 43 kilometers. Let's try another one. Let's try another one. All right, so this time a water dispenser has a capacity of 20 milliliters. Use the facts to find how much this is in liters. So we know we are going from milliliters to liters, so we know we're going to have a smaller number again. So if we use the strategy that I just did, so if we cross out 3 zeros from 1,000, we're going to get 20 liters. Let's try one more. So this time, an energy bar contains 8,000 milligrams of protein. Use the facts to find how much this is in grams. So we know we are going from a big number in milligrams to a smaller number in just grams. So we are going to also divide by 1,000. So we know that we are going to get 8 grams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.